Broad steps. Add animation in Gallery using jQuery.
Use the following broad steps to thrill your visitors with a dynamic gallery page. Open the Gallery.html file. Add required code in the HTML and style sheet. Download and attach jQuery page. Add JavaScript code. Save and reload on the browser. In this tutorial, we will look into creating an image slider. Let's get some code rolling. As always, I will start with HTML. In a text editor, I open the file Gallery.html. First off, I have created an automatic button that will launch the slider animation as soon as the visitor comes on the gallery page. Next, I have created a main wrapper called slider inside the header section of my HTML file. I have then used an unordered list tag for all the slider items. We can add as many pictures as we want because our script will pick them up dynamically. Let us apply some basic style to the gallery slider. Coming to style.css. Let me begin by styling the wrapper. To do this, I will just add the following CSS class. Next, I will adjust the images blocks. The following code will help me proportionate the size of the images used in the slider. Since I do not want the trigger button to show when the gallery page pops up, I will keep it hidden. Now let's interject some jQuery. This is where the magic happens. First off, I add the jQuery page, download, and include it into the HTML document as is the common norm. Next, I am going to revoke the ready function. This will start the animation on the slider as soon as the gallery page loads. Here, I have introduced a very exciting jQuery function called animate, which will allow me to animate the gallery slider. This code here will animate the slider items, changing the width from its initial state of 1050 pixels and increasing the height size to 400 pixels. Here, I have also set the opacity to 0. In simple terms, the image will grow in size and become blurred once it reaches its maximum size limit. To create an infinite slider, I have used specific tag calling. This snippet of code will continue to move the first item to the back of the last item. Let's save our files and give the HTML file a spin in the browser. Here we are. It works pretty well. Amazing what you can do with a few lines of coding.